Hi, I'm Eric with Crandall Office Furniture, and today we're going to take a look at how to assemble a Steelcase Leap Plus. Let's get into it. These are the components of the chair after it comes out of the box. You've got your seat and seat pan, casters, your cylinder, the base, and the basic frame of the chair. The first step, what we're going to do is put the casters onto the base. You're going to want to start from the ground up. It'll be a lot easier that way. In the casters, how you put those in is you just line up the stem with the hole and push it in. Next, set that down and just take your cylinder, make sure it's in the correct orientation, place that in the main part of the base. Now you're going to take the frame of the chair and place it on top of the cylinder. Now this is a side activated cylinder, so you want to make sure that it's in the proper orientation when you place it on the cylinder. Otherwise, your height adjustment won't work. And then it just sits into place. You always want to test it and see that you got the orientation right, which we did. These are the two glides. There's a left and a right. They are directional, so you have to make sure that they're on the right way. Then you're going to put the seat on. Now while I've got this off, I'm going to show you guys something. The Leap Plus, the locking mechanism on the Leap Plus that holds it to the chair, this one is metal. It's made out of metal. On the regular V2, it's made out of plastic. This is a lot more rugged, and it also means you have to be a little bit more forceful when you're putting it on because it's a little bit more robust. But it's the same basic principle as putting it on as it is the Leap V2. They should already be on your chair, but if not, just take note as this is how they go on. You line up the plastic slides with the rails on the seat pan and then push it on. Now after you've got it on, you want to double check and make sure that it's on all the way, because like I said, that mechanism is hardier. You really want to double check and make sure it's on all the way. Thank you for watching today's video on how to assemble the Steelcase Leap Plus chair. If you have any questions, please contact us at crandalloffice.com. We'll be happy to help in any way that we can. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and as always, have a great day.